Imagine a natural herb that not only boosts your energy and reduces stress, but also enhances male fertility and sexual performance. Meet ginseng, a powerhouse of benefits that extends beyond traditional uses. Ginseng, a multifaceted herb. Ginseng refers to several species of slow-growing perennial plants with fleshy roots belonging to the genus Panax. Among these, Korean red ginseng, Panax ginseng, has been extensively studied for its potential health benefits. Ginseng and male fertility. Enhancing sperm quality and count. Studies have indicated that ginseng may improve sperm quality and count in both healthy individuals and those with infertility issues. The herb appears to enhance sperm motility and viability, possibly by reducing oxidative stress and protecting sperm DNA from damage. 2. Boosting testosterone levels. Research suggests that ginseng can stimulate the production of testosterone by acting on the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. This hormonal boost may contribute to improved libido and sexual performance. 3. Improving erectile function. Ginseng has been associated with enhanced erectile function, possibly due to its ability to promote nitric oxide synthesis. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow to the penis and facilitating erections. Ginseng as an adaptogen. Beyond its reproductive benefits, ginseng is classified as an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Combating stress and fatigue. Ginseng may reduce fatigue and enhance physical performance by modulating the body's stress response. It appears to influence the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, which plays a crucial role in stress regulation. 2. Supporting cognitive function. Some studies suggest that ginseng can improve cognitive performance, including memory and attention, particularly in individuals experiencing mental fatigue. 3. Enhancing immune response. Ginseng may bolster the immune system by increasing the production of immune cells and enhancing the body's resistance to infections. Works well with. To maximize the benefits of ginseng, consider combining it with the following. Zinc, essential for testosterone production and sperm health. Maca root, another adaptogen known to enhance libido and energy levels. Vitamin B complex, supports energy metabolism and reduces fatigue. Rhodiola, works synergistically with ginseng to combat stress and improve endurance. Safety and considerations. While ginseng is generally considered safe for most people, it's essential to use it responsibly. Dosage. Follow recommended dosages, as excessive intake may lead to side effects like insomnia or digestive issues. Interactions. Ginseng may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes drugs. Medical conditions. Individuals with hormone-sensitive conditions or high blood pressure should consult a healthcare provider before using ginseng. Ginseng stands out as a versatile herb with a range of potential health benefits, from enhancing male fertility and sexual function to acting as an adaptogen that supports overall well-being. Incorporating ginseng into your health regimen under professional guidance could be a natural way to boost vitality and resilience.